Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Samsung Refrigerator Freezer Handle Endcap. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new Freezer Handle Endcap. The Freezer Handle Endcap is a trim piece on the handle. The main reason to be changing it out is if it's lost or damaged. In order to get to the part, we have to take off the freezer door handle. We're going to use a 3/32 Allen wrench to loosen up the set screw. Once you have the set screw loose, we can pull the handle off the mounting pin, and then we have to slide it to the right so the other end releases. Once you have it free, you can pull it off. Once you have the handle free, you can pull it off the door. If you try to take your handle off and the left side won't unlock, you may have the style that's locked on there. So you may have to open up the freezer door. Then we have to lift up on the handle like this and get it angled back towards the refrigerator and lift it off. Once you have the freezer door handle off, we can pull it off the refrigerator. Now that we have the freezer door handle off, we're going to set it on a table with a cloth on it so we can work on it. The end caps are changed out the same way. The only difference is on this side, we're going to have to take the 3/32 Allen wrench and screw in the set screw a little bit so it doesn't interfere with the support coming out. Then we're going to pick up the handle and we can use the Phillips screwdriver to take out the screw that holds in the handle support. Once you have the screw out, then we can slide the handle support out and take the end cap off. It's just held in by a couple tabs around it. So we can use the small flathead screwdriver to release it. Once you have them separated, we can pull the end cap off. Here's the old freezer handle end cap next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new freezer handle end cap on, we're just going to snap it onto the support. Once you have it on, you can put the support back into the handle. So we're just going to lift it up, slide it in. Once you have it in place, we can grab the Phillips screwdriver and put the screw in to hold it in place. Once you have the screw in, we're going to grab the 3/32 Allen wrench again and loosen up the set screw. So when we put the handle back on the mounting post, it doesn't jam up on it. Once you have the set screw loose, we can put the handle back on the door. To put the handle back on, we're just going to line it up like when we took it off and push it onto the post. You're going to have to lean it in a little bit and push down to get it to lock in. And then you're going to have to carefully rotate it over so you don't hit this pin. Once you have it rotated down, we can set it onto the mounting pin on this side. Then we can push it in. And then we can use the 3/32 Allen wrench to tighten down the set screw. Now that we have the freezer door handle installed, we can plug the refrigerator back in and make sure it starts to cool. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.